Hi, this is Amin. In this video, you will learn how to persist tracking using Google Tag Manager. Requirement for this project: we need a persist URL, enable data layer, Chrome extension, data layer checker, create a new conversion, Google Ad, tag setup, dynamic value add, trigger setup, and verify. So first of all, we need persist URL. So persist URL we need to so first of all you have to go Google Tag Manager, then go skylogs.com. When you open, just here select any product randomly. Just select this product, and I just select this product, and please do the add to cart, view cart, and proceed to payment. Proceed to payment. Here you can see the cash on delivery, and finally place the order. So, and finally I have completed a order. So we got persist URL. Just copy this one. Okay, copy this one. This is persist URL. This is the common part of every URL, persist URL. So we have got persist URL. Already we have enabled data layer. If you don't enable data layer, let me contact us, I will help you. Then you have to add a Chrome extension that is known data layer. Just search data layer checker. Here you can find the Chrome extension. Please add on your URL. I already added. Then we need to create a new conversion on Google Ad. So I need to just click create a new conversion, and select the website, and we need to website. Just copy this one, and paste here. The scanning now. Add conversion manually. Select category, persist, conversion name, logs. Then click the done option. Then we need to save and continue. Here you can see use Google Tag Manager. This is the conversion ID. So now we need to create persist URL done, enable data layer done, Chrome extension done, create a new conversion, it is still done. Now we need to get tag setup. So please click this option, new tag, right here Google Sky Logs persist tracking Google Ad. Then click this option, you will find Google Ads. Then Google Ad conversion tracking. Here you can see conversion linker is missing this container. Just click this and click and continue, and the save finally conversion linker. So now we need to paste conversion ID. Here you will find conversion ID. Then conversion level. Just paste here. Okay. Now we need to conversion value. So to get this conversion value, just click on the data layer. Here you can see the persist option. So just click the flat option, and here you can e-commerce value, or here you can see e-commerce value is 2030. Just copy this one. Okay, copy this one, and here you can see the total price is $30. So just okay, tag setup is done. but we need to work again. We need to set up variable now. So for dynamic value, we need to add a variable, just user defined value. Click one and click one data layer variable, data layer variable name, just paste here equals dot value and parse data layer variable parses data layer variable parses and save this one. Okay. So now we need to set up trigger dynamic. If you go to the trigger option, then Skylax parses tracking, just click this link and conversion value. So we need to data layer variable parses, just click one. Okay. So then we need to set up trigger. Okay. So add a trigger, click the trigger option. Here we can see new tag. Parses trigger and click page view. Okay, that's fine. And page URL, some page URL, just click page path, page URL contain what content, just click order receipt. This one is common part, just copy this one and paste here. Copy this one and paste here. Okay, paste this one and save this option, and our trigger setup is done and tag setup is done. So here tag setup done, trigger setup done. And now we need to verify. This option. So we need to verify, just click the save option, and we need to occur a parses again. Just go to the preview mode, and Skylogs, open this one. If you open this one, just we need to go parses. So I'm just going select a product randomly, then add to cart. We need to select and then add to cart and check the view cart. Here you can see parses is not firing still. So I am going to view card option, then shipping user priority mail. Just go to the proceed to checkout, and proceed to checkout. Please wait. Now we need to go proceed to payment and click the place order. Sure, now we need to accept place and finally also place the order. And finally we check parses tracking, and also data layer is working very good. And hopefully you understand, and this is also verify. Okay, so just click here done, and also you need to verify on Google Ad. So and also I will verify in Google Ad. Just unverify conversion, just I'm going to verification, and also click on product, just choose one, add to cart, place order is done. Okay, so if you select, this is active now. So verification is also complete. So in this video you can see, if you follow this video, then you can easily track purchase tracking with dynamic value. That means how many sales you can verify. So if you need any help, let me contact. I'm freelancer. I am a top rated digital marketing specialist. I'm available to provide service. Thank you so much for watching this video.